Well, in this video, we're going to be going over one of my biggest kept secrets on how I get the shine out of my vehicles. Always complimented, you know, and asked, how do you get your car so shiny? What can I do to protect my new car? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal to y'all my secret, and that is Rev Auto Neo Armor. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. Well, before we get to the Rev Auto Neo Armor, just wanted to give you all a quick update. I finally hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank y'all so much for watching my channel. I cannot express to y'all my gratitude and say enough thank you. As y'all know from my previous videos, or maybe you don't, go check this one out if you don't. I'm doing a giveaway for 5,000 subscribers where I'm giving away 2 petrol boxes and a $50 Amazon gift card for a 1-minute car montage video for my viewers. Send in those videos, James at OnlineCarShow.net to be entered into the giveaway. I only have about 5 spots left in the video, so I'm going to close the giveaway here probably by the end of this week. So get those videos in quick so you have a chance to win the giveaway and to get featured on my channel. And just to let y'all know, if we make it all the way to 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to double up on this giveaway. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe below. It helps support my channel and helps my videos to grow. All right, just to give you all an update on events. Unfortunately, All American Throwdown was canceled. The drag race that I intended to run the Corvette ZR1 at for the first time. By West Houston Muscle. Unfortunately, Sean told me they had over 5,000 people planning to attend. It was just, with the virus and current world conditions, it was just too many people. So he said it's been postponed to next year and it will be coming. So y'all stay tuned for more information on that. And unfortunately, we're in the hot season now for Houston and Texas. So the car shows and events kind of slow down for July and August until we get into September. So there isn't really much on the horizon that I see on the calendar, but I'll keep scouring the net and see what I find. All right, well, finally to the video at hand, Rev Auto Neo Armor. This stuff has been my secret for literally 2 years, guys. I've gone through, I don't know, 4 or 5 bottles of this stuff. I use it on freaking everything in the car.
I put that on everything.
It's honestly been my biggest secret. It helps protect my paint. It gives me a really incredible depth to the shine, not just a shine, but a depth to it, which I think is very important. Rev Auto has been a sponsor of mine, and I didn't know a whole lot about their products at first, and I started experimenting with it, and I talked to them, and I found this stuff, and it has been like magic. That's all I can say. I'm gonna go over my secret on how I apply it, which is really important to get in that real deep shine at the end of this video. So make sure you watch the whole video so you understand how to apply it to. So what is Rev Auto Neo Armor? Well, according to RevAutoCarCare.com, their website, Neo Armor is a paint protector and restorer. It restores shine to paint, adds a layer of protection, kind of like a ceramic coating would, and it also leaves a real smooth finish at the end and a real deep shine. And just a side note, something I found when I was making this video, you can actually use this stuff with a clay bar. Another use for it I didn't even know, in their Rev Auto clay bar replacement, which I'm going to look into in the future. They've got me intrigued on what that is. But as I said, I use this stuff on freaking everything. I started by just using it on the paint of the body, which of course is its main purpose. But then I started experimenting with the glass and stuff. And I'll use this stuff. I'll use glass cleaner or sometimes just this stuff on my glass. And it makes a real shiny layer on the glass even, and hydrophobic effect. I also use it on my headlights, whether they're glass or plastic on cars. Any kind of plastic on the car you can also use it on. So this stuff usually, really works on a whole host of stuff. You can even use it in the engine bay if you want to add a little paint, hydrophobic paint protection. And that's the other side of this, is if you have you know, hydrophobic and protective layer on your car, you don't have to wash it so much. That's a really big bonus of all this too. So I think we've talked enough about the Neo Armor and I've pumped it up enough. Let's see it in action. I'm going to show y'all how I apply it, and that's honestly a secret that they taught me. I can't remember if it's Billy or Thomas at Rev Auto. I DM'd on Instagram, and he recommended this technique, and I've used it for 2 years ever since. All right, well, as a disclaimer here, just for y'all that need to know, this is not a car wash or a waterless wash or anything like that. You do need to wash the car or have a clean slate, basically a clean car, before you apply this, but it is applied in between your car wash and any kind of waxing you may do. What I typically will do before applying the Neo Armor is I'll give the car a good washing and then dry it off to get any kind of water spots and stuff like that off the car. Then I'll do the Neo Armor. So I'll show y'all here in action. One of my sponsors, but as you can see here on my detail cart, I use a whole host of different brands when washing the car. All right, well, after you've got your car all clean, you're gonna of course need your Neo Armor, and you are gonna need 2 towels I typically use during this process, and you'll see why. We'll go ahead and spray on our Neo Armor. I'll also put a little bit on the towel just so it's not so rough rubbing on it. And then go ahead and spray the area where you want a Neo Armor. I'm just going to Neo Armor the hood here so we can see the after. You don't need to use a whole lot, just enough you can rub around and cover the area. So then I'll rub it. Once you got a good covering on it, let it dry a minute or two, and then we're going to come back and wipe clean with the second towel. Make sure you're using really good microfiber towels too. Don't use just a hand towel or anything like that from the house. That can do more damage than good to your paint. And I typically, if I've got seams like that, fold them to where they're not rubbing, especially this last part. All right, so it's on there. I'm gonna spray just a real damp coat on this towel. And we're gonna use one motion and just wipe it clean, or wipe it off. Now that you've got it applied on the car, here's the big secret, and this is what he told me. If you're doing a car show or something like that, you want an extra shine on the car, let this cure for a good 24 hours and then come back and put a layer of wax on top of it. Whether you're using, you know, a buttery wax or a simple carnauba wax, whatever, put it on top of the Neo Armor. You can already see the Neo Armor super, and there's still some streaks I need to wipe there, but you can already see from the Neo Armor the depth of shine. It's just incredible. So when you add that layer of wax on top of that, it's going to be spot on. And that's my biggest secret to the, you know, the car shows. I put on the Neo Armor, wait 24 hours, and then I come back and wax it afterward. And I'm telling y'all try this and y'all are going to be believers. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the hood. I think y'all got a good idea of what the secret is and how to apply it and stuff like that. We'll save putting on a wax for another video, but that's the biggest secret to it. You can see here the results, and I'm going to show y'all a quick montage from my last photo shoot so you can see how good it works. Well, the end results look absolutely insane. Look at that. You can see everything on the roof from here. As I mentioned, it works good on glass, plastic. I haven't used it on the windshield, but I will. Marca. Well, there y'all go. I let the cat out of the bag. That's my biggest secret at car shows, honestly. That and some of the tire shine stuff and wheel cleaners I use, which I'm planning for a video coming up soon. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. I can't tell you how much I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Thank y'all so much. I hope everybody has a great week, and I'm looking forward to the content coming shortly.